Hello, my name is Kendra Robinson, and this is my student introduction for INED 7782. I am from Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and I currently live in Atlanta, Georgia. For the past 6 years, I have taught as a middle grade social studies teacher. My current position, I am an administrator for an educational nonprofit known as Breakthrough Atlanta, where I serve as the high school readiness programs manager. I'm the mother of two amazing boys, Josiah Alexander, who's 4, and Jordan Elliott, who is 9 months. Cultural background, I am from the sweet state of Alabama, Sweet Home, Alabama, Roll Tide. I am a Christian, and my heritage, I am an African-American woman, and I'm from also St. Catherine, Jamaica. My grandfather was born there. My language experience, I am a native English speaker. I have studied Spanish in high school and college. However, I'm not fluent in Spanish as of yet. I have been exposed to Japanese culture as well. In high school, I went to Japan for about 2.5 weeks as an exchange student. And so I learned a little bit of conversational Japanese. However, I'm still not fluent in that. These are my results from the language survey related to learning and teaching languages. My results indicated that I believe languages should be learned and taught mainly through imitations, allowing students to develop learned behaviors. I think that anyone is capable of learning or becoming bilingual or multilingual if they express interest and are motivated. That's learning in general, whether it's language or academic content. And then learning languages is not solely something that can be acquired by those who are highly intellectual. Language is best learned through immersion and active conversation. Solely reading to teach a language does not always take into consideration the various vernaculars and dialects in different communities. That's why conversation and dialogue and active participation in acquiring languages is important as well. However, I believe educators should correct learners' errors to prevent from developing bad language habits during readings and student-centered discussions. And that is the end. I would like to wish you all a great semester. Keep calm and push on. Have a good day.